Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our YouTube channel App Guide. Today we're going to learn how to fix your video quality on your Amazon Prime Video or simply Prime Video. For this, what you need to do is, first and foremost, like always, we will open the Amazon Prime Video application on your mobile phone. And once you get in there, you can choose and select the movies, series, animated movies, anything that you like of your choice. You can go to home, TV shows, movies, or just videos and movies for the kids, whatever you desire. So here I'm gonna select the first thing, Kung Fu Panda. So once you just tap in there, you come to the home screen of the Kung Fu Panda, the Destiny Pause series. As you can see, there isn't any option for you to change the quality of your video. So what you need to do is, if you look at the bottom bar, you see 5 icons: home, store, channel, find, and my stuff. For this, you need to select bottom right corner, my stuff, and once you get there, look at your top right corner and go to the settings icon. On this, select the first option that comes, that is stream and download, manage quality and Wi-Fi. So once you select here, go to the very top option, once again streaming quality. So what you do here is select the quality that you desire. If you are using data, mobile data, for you to save your data and GB, you can use the data saver pack, that is the fourth option right here. Like you want, you can change the best quality, but as you know, the more quality requires more GB from your data. And you can also select the last option, that is use highest quality of data on Wi-Fi. So currently this is disabled. So if you enable this, anytime your phone is connected to the Wi-Fi, or when you are using Amazon Prime Video while being connected to the Wi-Fi, according to the router speed or the Wi-Fi speed, your mobile phone will show the quality. If the Wi-Fi speed is extremely high, then you will be watching those movies and series in HD and 4K quality. But if the Wi-Fi is slow, it will automatically go down to good, or can be 720p or something like that. So that is how you change the video quality on your Amazon Prime Video. If this was helpful to you in any way, please leave a like button, subscribe if you want to get more of these contents, and comment if you have any queries regarding this. Thank you so much. Have a great day.